Hello friends, today we learn the name of the objects around the house. Let's go. This is cooker. This is sink. Can you find the table? Yes, this is table. This is chair. Can you see chair? Repeat after me. Chair. This is bookcase. This is bed. Bed. This is wardrobe. This is wash basin. Repeat after me. Wash basin. This is sofa. This is armchair. Today we learn the names of around the house. See you next time. Goodbye.